Hello, everyone. It's what day is it today? Thursday, July 15th. And continuing on with the heart, which we started yesterday. And one reason I'm having you draw the heart for your lab assignment due on Sunday is understanding the anatomy of the heart is really important for understanding the creation of pressure gradients and the direction of blood flow. And with that said, understanding pressure gradients is super important because blood or fluids, any fluids in the universe that is, are going to flow from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. And I really want to stress, if you're going to say a specific area has high pressure, you should really say higher pressure, because to say the left ventricle has high pressure and that's why blood is flowing out into the aorta in the systemic circulation. If someone has hypertension, their systemic circulation, their brachial artery, their aorta could have a blood pressure of, say, 160. And if we say the left ventricle has a blood pressure or pressure within the left ventricle of 150, that's high pressure. But it has to have higher pressure than the area that it wants to go to. It has to have higher pressure than the downstream region. So please keep that in mind. And also please keep in mind, blood can flow if we create an area of lower pressure. And that is facilitated, say, in the ventricles of the heart by increasing the volume of those chambers. Another thing I want you to keep in mind with the heart is we have the autorhythmic cells and we have the contractile cells of the myocardium. The contractile cells make up the overwhelming majority of the heart. That is to say, the overwhelming majority of the myocardium. They are what contract, shorten, and allow for the heart and ventricles to pump. And certainly the atria pump to a much smaller degree, but they still do pump or contract. The autorhythmic cells are merely setting the rate of the heart, and they transfer their electrical impulse to the myocardial contractile cells. So please focus on that with these videos and office hours today at 3 p.m.